Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Jasleen, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I hope you enjoy the new little, well not new, I'll return to the old setup, but I'm just filming in another area, experimenting. But if you recall, I did unbox this little wristlet that I purchased. This is from the 20K collection, and this is a 19 wristlet, very, very spacious. They have come out with other wristlets, similar layout. The one that is out for Cruise 2021 is a little bit more expensive because it's got charms on the wristlet, but I'm pretty sure that Chanel's going to bring out this silhouette time and time again because it was so popular. But just going over it, it's quite soft and fits quite a bit in there comfortably, but there's like a little center divider, two spacious pockets, and then some card slots, and it's great for a grab and go multicolored hardware. And then also this little bit here, there's like a magnetic button to kind of take down the extension of the zipper, so it's really, really great for opening, and it's got a very sweet little CC detail there. Super, super nice. Now, what motivated me to purchase this was, yes, it's great for a grab and go. If I don't want to carry like a handbag, if I'm running out to do errands, I can just grab this. But I saw the potential in this piece when I first saw it, and I can actually turn this into a crossbody bag just by looking at the structure of the bag. So anytime you find any item like this, always look for areas on the bag to which you can attach a strap. So for me, obviously it was either attaching it to the wristlet itself, or there's a little D-ring onto which the wristlet is attached, right? The chain strap. On the other side, what I noticed is you could get away with just hooking a strap in through this loop, but then you risk, detaching this magnetic button. But it was more of this little tunnel that is formed right in here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like this leather bit here that you can kind of slide something through. So I thought, you know what, there's potential for me to turn it into a crossbody bag, and I'm just going to share with you what I ordered. So in my last video, I showed you a very thick shoulder strap, which is beautiful, looked great with the bag, but I knew that I wasn't going to use that so much for this bag. And I always saw these on Etsy. They're like these, interwoven, Chanel-inspired chain straps. You see them on a lot of other bags as well. So I saw these on Etsy. Amazon also carries them as well, so I'll link a few in the description box. But if you just search for interwoven chain, you'll find like bag straps. So I got this in the gold color. I actually ordered a cream color as well, and that's for another video that I'm going to show you, but as to why I purchased that. But these have the little clasps on there. Now anytime you choose a bag strap, make sure you look at the hardware if you like it, and then also if this is large enough to accommodate what you want to hook it onto. So this chain itself, it's actually quite good. It's got a good weight. It feels like the chains of the Jumbo Classic flap. So this is the chain. This is a Jumbo Classic flap. I was just filming, and this chain is quite decent, and it's quite heavy, right? So this is quite close and very impressive. It's not flimsy. It's not that lightweight. It's got a good weight to it. So I was really impressed with this. Now, how am I going to attach it to this? If you remember, I talked about binder clips. Now I've ordered these in gold actually, and I'm still waiting for them to arrive, but this is what I have on hand, and this is actually too big of a size, but you can get smaller, like 1-inch diameter ones. You can get smaller than this as well. So I ordered a bunch of gold ones, and they're mainly meant for stationery. You can use them to put them into your like note cards or notes. I use these a ton in university, so I have a lot that are lying around, and they're very, very, very useful. You can put keys on it, etc. So just imagine that this is gold and smaller. But what I would do is I would take the binder clip, and I'm just going to hook it through this little tunnel here, okay, the one that I talked about. So I found that there, okay, and this can clip right back. Here I've got the lobster clasp of the I don't even know if this is called a lobster clasp, but anyway. So I'm just gonna hook it onto the D-ring that is holding onto this chain strap. So I'm just gonna go in and clip it through there so it's secure. I could also tuck this wristlet inside if I wanted to, or I could just leave it hanging. It really doesn't matter. And because now I have this little ring on the outside, so you can get smaller ones. I'm just showing this for example, okay, because this is what I have on hand. My Amazon order didn't come in yet, so, but I'm gonna hook this to this side, and now I've turned it into a crossbody bag. So super easy. I actually really like this. I know I've mentioned the Chanel wallet on chain as a perfect little crossbody bag, and I still think it's amazing for travel. But if I'm just going out to the grocery store, it's just nice to have something flexible. I can just throw my keys in, throw my phone in, cash, and I'm good to go. And thought I'd just share that with you. That's little tips. Anytime you're purchasing a pouch, always look for little areas on the pouch onto which you can hook a strap. So just get creative. That way you can get more bang for your buck, because nowadays with Chanel, what they're doing is they're introducing these tiny card holders and attaching a strap to it, and that just makes the price skyrocket. So, you know, yes, this was not cheap, but if Chanel sold this with a strap, I bet it would be over the $3,000 mark. So save yourself some money. Get creative, look for, it doesn't have to be this brand, you can look at other brands as well, get a little wristlet, see where you can attach a strap, and you can create yourself a little crossbody bag. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and I'll see you in my next video.